Let me just a quick look. It's here. There's 1 minute left. There's a CAD news there. Let me try and get it. Let me try and get it. Okay, there's 1 minute left. Quickly. Give me this. There's CAD CHF. I wanna trade it on this currency. Yeah, see this. Quickly. Yeah, the news is out. Yeah, the news has been released. Yeah, we're still waiting. We're gonna end soon. Coming. This is perfect. Where's my CAD? Yeah, quickly here. This is 5 minutes. Perfect. We're going down. Let's see what will happen here. Let's see. Here is my trade. You can see this is the trade ID. Can you get that? Let's see in 4 minutes. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, so as you can see here, the trade almost expired. There's 40 seconds left. You can check the trade ID here, and everything is still the same here. Okay, so this was CAD CHF. This was trading the news. Traded here. This was my entry here. You can see how deep in the money it went. This is all about trading news, man. This is all about trading news, and just click or email me on the description below this video. You'll find an email. Email me if you want to find out how to trade the news and everything. Just let me know. I'll teach you that. You'll practice, and then you'll make it happen. Let's see. Yes, the trade has expired. This one. So we are in the money for this news. We are in the money. You can see this was the news, right? This was the news, and then yeah, we got money from this news. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.